Imagine waking up tomorrow and your hail repair calendar is booked solid. While you slept, an AI answered every call, returned every text, booked every estimate and repair on your calendar. This isn't a dream because it's happening right now. Hey guys, this is not a glitch. I got so excited about sharing Automate with you that I forgot to introduce myself. So I thought I would cut it into post. My name is Jesse. I'm the lead AI growth engineer for Razor Sharp Networks. And over the past decade plus, we've been helping our clients optimize their online environment, automate their customer lifecycle. Over the last 3 years, we've been developing Automate. Automate's an AI growth engine designed to help you grow your automotive hail repair business 24/7. So if you've been thinking about how to leverage AI and automation to give you an unfair competitive advantage, you're in the right spot. I share all the details in the video. So without further ado, I'll let you get back to that. Hopefully, we'll get a chance to talk in the very near future when you book your free AI strategy call and secure your territory. So back to the video. For auto hail repair shops just like yours. Hailstorms drop billions of dollars each year, but most repair shops miss out because they can't keep up with the flood of calls, texts, and leads. When you take more than a minute to respond, leads vanish. If you respond in under a minute, you close more repairs. It's that simple. Wait even 5 minutes, and that customer is gone. The Automate AI growth engine changes everything. It turns your website into a conversion machine that's optimized to get calls, chats, and DMs. AI agents answer calls and texts 24/7, nurturing leads, scheduling repairs, or even asking for reviews automatically. Meanwhile, your business information stays up to date everywhere. Google, Apple Maps, Yelp, Waze, Alexa. Your ads fire up in seconds when weather hits, targeting the exact customers who need your repair services. And those old clients that you repaired last season, pre-built campaigns, pull them back in, generating tens of thousands of dollars in repair revenue. Shops using Automate often double their conversion rates. Review automation takes you from a handful of reviews to dozens, boosting your star rating. Directory optimization jumps you to the top of local search. Reactivation campaigns bring tens of thousands in revenue from past clients. Some owners have added 7 figures to their business by letting AI handle their marketing. And the best part is you can try the entire solution absolutely free. Our triple guarantee covers you for 30 days. It locks in your price and gives you exclusivity in your territory. Book your free 30-minute strategy session now to see firsthand how Automate can grow your hail repair business. We'll map out your plan and get you live in the next couple of days, getting you ready for the next storm season. Storm seasons won't wait. Neither should you. Book a free AI strategy call now. Secure your territory while it's still available.